Hi, I'm Charlie Kelly, and I'm the prosthetist at MCOP Annapolis. I've been with MCOP for going on 4 years now. I started getting interest in the field when I was in college. I was going to school for engineering and biomechanics, and I saw a prosthesis and thought to myself, I want to do that.
My name is James Delafleur. I am a certified prosthetic technician training here in Annapolis to be a prosthetic assistant. I've been with MCOP for 10 years.
My name is Jennifer Kelly. I've been with Medical Center Orthotics and Prosthetics since 2018. I am the office manager here in the Annapolis office. Overall, Medical Center Orthotics and Prosthetics has a dedication that goes above and beyond for patient care.
As a prosthetist, we have a really good opportunity to directly influence how well a person's life goes. The things that they can do, the life that they want to lead. Just like no limb is exactly the same, we have a saying here in the office that every body is different. We'll go through the process of like matching componentry, socket style, socket fit, based on the goals and the things that they want to do and like how we can take care of them as a person.
This is a very challenging situation that people come into. It's a really difficult time, and not only are we trying to help you, get you walking, but help you through the emotional process of losing a limb. It's really important to us to make sure that you be the best person you can be with your new normal.
MCOP is definitely unique because of the people that work here. I don't think I've worked at any place else that there's this amount of people that genuinely care about their job, the people that they work for, the people they work with.
The bar here, when somebody leaves on a new prosthesis, is that if it's not the best prosthesis that they ever had, then we're not done.
Just knowing that the work that I do here is changing someone's life for the better, it's getting them back on their feet. I think that that's just a huge reward, and that's why I feel like I wake up in the morning.
There's a specific moment where a patient, whether it's their 100th time or their first time standing, they get this look in their eye, and there's this glimmer moment that's why I do what I do. That's the moment that the patient realizes that they can do it. Like these are the first steps towards, them living the rest of their life. If you or somebody that you love would like more information about the care that they could receive at MCOP, please feel free to reach out to us, and we would love to talk to you.